Hi everybody, today we are going to be continuing on with adding and we are going to be doing addition with regrouping. So far you've had just straight forward addition where now you're going to have to carry the 1 over to the tens place or to the hundreds place. So we're going to talk about what that looks like today. And these little monster guys are going to help us out. So here's my first example. We are adding the numbers 18 plus 29. And so you always start in the ones column. So we have 8 plus 9 is 17. So we have our 7 down here, and we carry our 1 up here. And then we have to add up our 3 numbers, 2, 1, and 1, which equals 4. So 18 plus 29 is 47. So again, you line up your numbers. You start in the ones column. If you have a number that is 2 digits, you put down the ones and you carry the tens to the tens column. Because it wouldn't make sense if we put 17 right here, because you can only have 1 digit there. So we're going to go ahead and start practicing that on our next slide. So we have 16 plus 18, and we start in our ones column. So 6 plus 8, we have 14. So I can't just put down 14 right here because I, again, only have 1 digit in this spot. So I put my ones down, which is my 4, and I carry that 10 to up top. And then I have 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So 16 plus 18 is 34. And again, everything is lined up. It's not, my 6 isn't in my tens column, messing it all up. We have our 16 and 18. Next up, we have 26 plus 34. Again, I start in my ones column. 6 plus 4 is 10. Again, this is wrong because I cannot have more than 1 digit in this column. So I put down my 0, I carry my 1, and 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. So 26 plus 34 is 60. So I'm going to jump to this one. I have 89 plus 9. Again, notice my 9 is over here. It is not over here because if I put my 9 in the tens column, that's changing my number to 90. And that's not what I want. I want just 9. So then 9 plus 9 is 18. I put down my 8. I carry my 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. So I have 89 plus 9 is 98. I'm going to go down here. All right, we have 37 plus 46. 7 plus 6, we have 13, and I carry my 1, and 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 4 is 8. So we have 37 plus 46 is 83. Again, start in your ones, put down your digit in your ones, and carry that 10. Now sometimes we might even have it carried over to the hundred spot. So let's see what that looks like. So we have 54 plus 79. I'm sorry, these are a little out of place. So we have 9 plus 4, which is 13. We're putting down my 3, carrying my 1. Then we have 7 plus 5 is 12. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus 1 is 13. So I'm going to put down my 3 again. Put down my 3 again, carry that 1 to the hundreds. I'm not adding any other digits in the hundreds column, so I'm just bringing that 1 all the way down. So 54 plus 79 is 133. We have 86 plus 37. Again, they are all lined up. I don't have my 3 over here and my 7 right here. Whoops. Because then that would change this number to 370. That's not my number. My number is 37. And I have 6 plus 7 is 13, and I carry that 1. And then 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 3 is 12. So I'm going to put down that 2 and carry the 1 again. And there's nothing to add over here, so I'm just going to bring it all the way down. So 86 plus 37 is 123. And we'll do one more of this. So I start my ones column. 4 plus 2 is 6. I didn't have to carry anything. And then 5 plus 9 is 14. So again, 4, carry that 1. There's nothing else to add in the hundreds, so I put down my 1. So 52 plus 94 is 146. So again, the really important things to remember are lining up your digits, your place values, always starting in the ones column. And if you have an answer that is more than one digit, like 13, you only put down what's in the ones and you carry that 10. All right, so then today you have your Thursday review to do. There's only 8 questions, so take your time. Make sure you're paying attention on the rounding part. That's rounding to the nearest 10. So you underline your 10 spot, you circle your ones. 5 tells you to go round up, 4 tells you to round down. Or sorry, 5 or greater or 4 or less. And then this is what you are looking at today. For your main activity, it says adding 2 digits with regrouping. Directions, write all your equations on a separate piece of paper vertically, one on top of the other. So this is vertically on top of each other. To solve, you will need to take a picture of your work and submit it when you are finished. Make sure you type your answer in standard form, only numbers. Do not type your answers in word form. So you're going to write your name, so you can say, whoops, let me type. Hold on, let me do this. Okay. Same thing, Ms. Goffis. And then over here, over on your own piece of paper, you are going to be writing down 53 plus 39 vertically. Let me see if I can get my pen. So on your piece of paper, you're going to be writing this down and solving it. So you're going to be getting an answer. You're going to come back over here and type in your answer. Oops. Whatever the answer is. And then you're going to move on to the next one. On your piece of paper, make sure you are labeling them so I can see clearly what where each problem is. And then when you are done filling out this form, you can submit it. So you just hit submit down here and I'll get it. Don't worry, every time you hit submit, I'll get it. And then you are going to take a picture of your work on that paper and go to Google Classroom and upload it. You can also dojo it to me. You can email it to me, however you send a picture. I know you've been practicing that in ELA, so whatever's easiest for you, dojo, email, or Google Classroom. Just upload that picture so I can see how you are adding and I can figure out how to help you. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know.